sleet to wet snow to dry snow with below freezing temperatures has the snow feeling kind of papery and weird in a way. They sound real nice. January 25th, I mean January 19th. Blasting 18. Had 2 days in a row where the temperatures reached in the below 50s. So that warmed up and melted away a lot quicker. A lot of the previous snow we had, which was 3 to 5 inches in some places by the time it fell and stuff. And just like this time, it fell by rapid winds. So you not to keep it warm when the heat drives up. Until you see the shed eat some hay. You can see on my phone when a lot of snow just walks and blasts away because of the wind. That's what makes some spots look kind of bare, while those spots have thicker piles of snow where the wind causes it to end up at. I'm no weather expert by any means. I just like talking about the snow because the snow is one of the few things that keeps me occupied and happy during the miserable months of winter. As you can see, my tracks are getting filled, or pretty deep, and are already in the process of getting filled in from the rapid winds. Over here at Gus's house next door, where I take care of animals, Betty and Poncho, as well as 9 chickens, or 8 chickens and a rooster. Mark and Jackie has 3 horses and 2 ponies, as well as now a couple goats. And they're inside the barn. Sticking like hell when they hit the ground, but also blowing around like crazy. Yeah, there's a better angle to show the thickness of the snowfall, plus how much is blowing around. And we're walking back to my house. Yeah, not as thick of a snowfall as the snowfall we had January 10th through 11th on my mom and grandpa's birthday. But still enough to stick and cause the whole ground to be covered in white again. It's just cool to see the way the wind redirects the snow in a lot of directions. You can tell all the snow has been blasted. Alright, peace out.